Hey guys, welcome back to Reefs. Today is this very special video. It's the start of a series. The series that we are going to do is building an Instagram theme page from 0 followers and seeing how much money we can make in a month and weeks to come. So if you guys like this new idea for a series, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also, I made my bed for this video again.
So you got to like it. You gotta like this video. I'm telling you, you gotta like it. You gotta like it. I'm not pressuring you to like it, but you gotta do it.
So today's video is starting a theme page from 0 and seeing how big we can get it in the months to come. I'll be doing semi-weekly updates on this, and if you guys really enjoy the series, I'll be sure to post more updates and post more often about this series. And if you guys don't like it, let me know in the comments down below. Tell me anything I could change or improve on throughout this whole video. I would really appreciate it, and I'm also there to answer all your questions. With that being said, let's get right to it. Oh, create a username. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh, by the way, I am no expert, I'm no professional, but I do know a lot about theme pages, and I've been growing them for years now, so I would say I'm pretty qualified to run this theme page and give you guys some advice on how to run theme page. Good! I didn't crack my phone, let's go. Alright. But that was a bruh moment. Okay, so for the name, let's do something very original, interesting. Very interesting and original. Teen Relate 2020. Alright, let's make a password. I gotta blur this. Alright, boys, we made a whole new email for this account. Email teenrelate2020@gmail.com. Best email, not gonna lie. Next. Okay. My phone's tweaking. Instagram doesn't want me to have any more accounts. They're like, dude, you have 40 accounts. You know, yeah, so this is great. Give me a second. I don't know what's going on here. Why am I showing you guys? I literally have a screen record going and I'm trying to show you on this camera. But it says, please wait a few minutes before you try again, bro. Instagram's on to me. They're like, dude, you have like 40 accounts. We don't know what you're doing. You're just cash cowing Instagram accounts. Please stop. And I'm like, no, I'm just trying to make a YouTube video. And they're like, bro, stop it. Well, I'll get back to you guys once I'm able to make this account. Oh, okay. We got our account set up, finally. After hours of Instagram wanting to absolutely kill my guts, we actually got it to work and we're on our account now. Let's start setting up this profile so that we can drive so much traction. And, you know. Alright, so we got our username, TeenRelate2020. I feel like this is a pretty good name. You know, after 2020 is over, though, this is going to be a very bad name, but we don't think that far ahead into the future on this channel here. So, yeah, we're going to do TeenRelate2020. Oh, shoot. For the name, looks super nice. Okay, give me a second. Let me think of a bio.
A very swag, cool bio.
Alright, guys, we set up the best bio possible. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the bio doesn't matter. A lot of people try to tell me that the bio matters a lot. No, it really does. Your bio does not matter that much unless you're trying to sell a product. In that case, it does matter. But for just posting content, it doesn't matter that much right now. So for now, this will work. And we're not gonna have any website, but we are gonna switch to a creator account so we can get some insights on how our posts are doing and how many, you know, views we're getting and impressions and from where. So let's hit next. All right, so for category, let's pick you know, we'll be an artist. Yeah, we can display this. Here's a trick, guys. If you guys want a a logo for your Instagram theme page, a trick is to take the first letter of the name of the account and then just put T logo, PNG or design, and you go to images, and there's gonna be a bunch of just images that just say T, and they're all logos, and pretty much if they're non-copyright, you can just take them and use them for your account. So we're gonna go pick one that I like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the best profile picture ever, just a straight tee with a black background, and we're ready to get started. So you're probably wondering, how do I plan on growing this account? I'm not spending a single dollar. It's not happening. We're all about money conservation here, and we are going to use the follow for follow method. And I know everyone likes to hate on this method, but it works. And you know you used it, and you know we all use it, and this is probably the best way. If you're at zero and not wanting to spend a single cent on paying for promotion, this is what you guys are gonna do. And I know you want to do it, and we're gonna all do it, and we're gonna get through it. That kind of rhymed, but that's how we're gonna start this. And there's definitely a way to use follow for follow. Don't go follow for follow random accounts. It like doesn't make any sense. Go find accounts in your niche and go follow people that are liking the posts, engaging, commenting. You guys are gonna want to follow those people because those are people that are probably active and probably interested in the content that you are posting. And it doesn't make any sense to go follow a bunch of random accounts. Don't go on your explore page and go start following random people. Follow people in your niche and the niche that you want to be posting content in. And so we're gonna go find some accounts that are in the teen niche, and we're gonna go follow a bunch of people. So I actually thought first that I probably should post some content relating to my niche so that people know when I follow them what kind of account that I have. So I got some epic funny I got my epic funny video right here. When they vote you out, even though you aren't the imposter, it's a joke on the game Among Us that many people are playing right now, and it's just a relatable thing that, I don't know, teenagers, Gen Z can relate to and engage with. So I think this is a pretty good post for now. This is the type of content you guys are going to want to be posting if you want to start this theme page challenge with me. And yeah, I'm just trying to get the most relatable, most engageable content, and for sure. So this is the content we got. We're gonna hit next, and let's post up. Okay guys, so we got our content posted up. I'm gonna give you guys a little tip here for hashtagging and for your description of the video. I forgot what it's called. Caption of the video. Okay, so I got us a few tips here for the caption of the video. You guys are going to want to say something like follow me because you guys just want to remind them to follow you for whatever content you're making. So I said, hey, follow me for more relatable content, and hopefully that will drive some more follows than usual. And then I put their @ but I couldn't find this guy's @ for his Instagram. So if he ever DMs me, I'll be sure to credit him. And for hashtags, guys, you guys don't need to put that many. Don't spam hashtags. You guys are gonna get blacklisted from the explore page, and they're gonna drop your content like impressions. Instagram does not like when you spam hashtags on every post. Don't do as many hashtags as possible. 5 to 10 hashtags I think is perfect, and yeah, just pick hashtags that aren't too big when you're starting out, so that you can actually rank in the hashtags, and that people will find your content in hashtags that aren't that big and actually have a better chance of hitting the explore page and going viral. So make sure you guys don't use too big of hashtags. Make sure you guys are using hashtags that actually relate to the video and that are in your niche. And so for this one, I picked some hashtags that you guys can see here that actually relate to what the video is about, and they're not super big hashtags, so I can actually rank in these hashtags. Okay guys, so we just wrapped up following people in our niche. I know this is not the best way to do it. Ideally, you'd want to pay for promotion off of other related, pages in the same niche as you, but we're starting this challenge with $0, and I planned on spending no money here. So we followed 50 people in the niche. That is very important to follow people in your niche and not just random people. Pick people that are engaging with content. Obviously you want those followers over someone who just follows and ghosts, because those are the people that are actually going to engage with your videos and be able to make your videos hit the explore page and just get a lot more traction. So make sure you guys are following people in your niche and in the same theme as you. Make sure you guys are also not following like a bunch of people at once, Instagram will shadow ban you and decrease the engagement on your content and show your content to less people. So make sure you guys are following around 50 people at a time, and make sure you guys are spacing it out all throughout the day. If you follow way too many people at once, then they are going to shadow ban your account and block you from following people and even liking people's posts and stuff. So make sure you guys are really cautious with that and don't follow a bunch of people all at once. Make it look like you're not a robot, and Instagram will not ban you and stuff. So make sure you guys are being careful with that. But anyway, this is gonna wrap up episode 1. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe for the series coming up. We're gonna see how much money we can make and how many followers we can gain over the upcoming months. And you guys should like this video for the YouTube algorithm and for the fact that I made my bed. Yeah. So anyway, this has been Reese, and go make some money.